Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Prince Sukla, and today I am going to tell you about very important fact, very helpful tips related to English that will be very useful for your English speaking. So guys, many times I saw that people complain that I have not good atmosphere, so how can I improve my English? Because for speaking English we need speaking. It is a very important part of English. You are writing, you are reading, you are thinking. It's not enough, you need speaking also, and for speaking, for talking, you need one more person minimum so that you can talk. So I just want to clear this doubt today, that if you really want to speak English, for this you can stand before mirror and start telling anything about your habit, about your like and dislike, about your day routine. If you will follow this, so this will be very useful for you. And more thing, that you can record your video, and after recording that video, you can watch and get your mistake and improve it also. And the second thing, you want to learn English. For this is your responsibility to create a great atmosphere. So you should not blame on others. Yeah, I'm from rural area, so I couldn't do this. I'm also from rural area, but I'm doing well and I'm trying, I'm giving my best. So I hope you can also do. Thank you, and please subscribe.